I'm uses HDMI cable from laptop to TV. Let's go make VHS opening to Kingdom Hearts 3 from 1994 by Warner Brothers. Real not fake.
40 minutes later.
Yes, I made fake VHS opening.
Caillou, what are you doing?
I'm watch TV and uses HDMI cable from laptop.
Okay, let me see. Caillou. The opening is fake. Kingdom Hearts 3 came out 2019 not 1994, and it's made by Disney not Warner Brothers. Also, this is not movie. This is video game. Video games not came out VHS. Kingdom Hearts didn't exist until 2002. Thoughts if you're grounded for life. Go to bed right now and I close this fake VHS opening this laptop.
Wow.